The following graph gives information about government budget distribution. According to the picture, I can see percentage of total budget in percentage. From the picture, items include education, defense, and public health departments. Moreover, infrastructure is 15. Lastly, there is social welfare, which is around 10. To sum up, the graph tells about government budget distribution. The following graph gives information about corporate budget distribution. According to the picture, I can see marketing, which is 20%. From the picture, that of human resources is 15%. Moreover, sales percentage is 10%. Lastly, there is other and its value is 5%. To sum up, the graph tells about corporate budget distribution. The following graph gives information about monthly website traffic. According to the picture, I can see number of visits. From the picture, in January, the value is around 5,000. Moreover, May has a number around 2,000. Lastly, there is June, whose amount is around 9,000. To sum up, the graph tells about monthly website traffic. The graph gives information about annual average profits of different beer brands. According to the picture, I can see annual profits measured in million US dollars. From the picture, Budweiser is over 140. Moreover, Heineken is around 130. Lastly, there is Guinness, which is around 110. To sum up, the graph tells about annual average profits. Following graph gives information about market share of different car brands. According to the picture, I can see Audi is 10%. From the picture, Toyota is 30%. Moreover, Honda is 25%. Lastly, there is Ford, and it is 20%. To sum up, the graph tells about market share of car brands. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.